Hey guys, we are here again with a big one. If you are striving and hustling to get a remote job, well, I might just have a solution to your problem with one of the largest shopping empire out there, and that is Amazon. I will also explain how you can set up notifications so you'll be notified each time Amazon advertise this job, so you'll be one of the first people that will see them. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and show some love by clicking the like button. Without wasting your time guys, let's go straight to the video guys. The site for this job is amazon.com/remote. Before, there used to be like a remote job over here where you can easily click, but now for you to see the remote jobs, you have to go over here and type remote, then you click on remote, and when you click on remote, the jobs are going to open that are remotely. But first of all, we have to go down over here to click on work from home to make sure that 100% all the jobs we're seeing here is work from home jobs. And when you click on it, all the jobs you are seeing here is currently work from home jobs 100%. And right now you can see this job is available in Japan, this one is available in UK, this one is available in US. So if you are located in these countries, you'll be able to apply for these jobs. And also you can filter these jobs by job type, by country, by state, by job category, by team, by role type, and also by category. So we are going to take a look at the filter. When you go over here, you will see full-time, you will see part-time, you will see internship. If you're a student, you will be able to work for Amazon and apply. And you can filter it by countries. United States have 500 plus jobs available remotely. United Kingdom has over 200 jobs available remotely. Italy has over 30 jobs. Netherlands is having 8, and Japan is having 2. When you go over to state and province, you see different jobs that are available in the US. So the state is by default US. Right now, what I'm seeing here, California is having over 200 jobs, Washington is having over 100 jobs, and Texas is having over 100 jobs. So you can search for jobs in the US also by state. And by job category, they have solutions architect, they have software development, they have human resources, they have sales and advertising and account management, they have project, program, product management, technical. They have different jobs they have on their job category. Then when you keep going down, you could see they have leadership development and training, they have facilities, maintenance and real estate, and they have also customer service. You can search by team by Amazon Web Services, human resources, operation and technology, fulfillment operation, and retail. When you click on more, you see more. E-commerce foundation, Amazon Alexa, Amazon Care. And when you go over to role type, you can apply to be an individual contributor or people manager. So there are different categories of jobs, there are different categories of team, and there is also different categories of state and province you can be able to search for these jobs. Right now I'm going to show you example how you'll be able to apply for this job using the customer service. And when you go over to customer service, you will see different jobs that are available as a customer service. You will see group manager, delivery station customer service. You will see SR program manager, WWCP. You will see program manager, worldwide capacity planning, WWC. You also see regional field support manager. This one is located in New York. And also I'm going to give you example with the virtual customer care advisor. And when you go over to virtual customer care advisor, you will see the job description, you will see the basic qualification, you will see the preferred qualifications as well. And right now we are going to go over to the job description, which is the job summary. As a customer care advisor, you will play an essential role in empowering our customers to take their medications correctly and achieve better overall wellness. This position is fully remote and you will be working from home virtually. This role will require you to work a flexible, reduced hour schedule that may start and end outside of your normal business hours. This position is 30 to 39 hours per week, but may require additional or fewer hours due to business requirements. The salary for this role is $16 per hour. And also you have some core responsibilities as a virtual customer care advisor. You will virtually assist customers and other advisors over the phone. You will manage both inbound and outbound calls. You will proactively identify solutions to questions. You will take a hands-on approach to resolving every issue. You will provide best-in-class service experience. Let me zoom this a bit in case if you are not seeing it. You will help answer customer inquiries regarding their insurance and co-pays as well as shipping needs. You will provide our customer with technical support. You serve customers in a timely manner. You will understand each interaction is about more than solving a single problem, but an opportunity to build a long-term relationship. So the basic qualifications they need is high school diploma or equivalent, and you need to have 6+ months of professional experience working with computer and web-based tools. Don't be frightened with that language, because this is quite like, if you know how to use the browser and if you know how to use computer, you don't need to worry about this. And you'll be experienced multitasking with phone and computer skills. Hardwired broadband internet. So over here they need you to have internet speed of 10 Mbps download and 5 Mbps upload, and you have the ability to change your schedule frequently, and you have the ability to work in a home environment that is a private and free of distractions. So here they don't need you to have a barking dog around. They don't need you to live in a place or be in an environment that is loud music, like when people are singing bam bam bira bam bam birara, or when dogs are barking woof 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 everywhere, or when children are playing and noisy. So they don't need you to be able to expose the client to such nuisance or be able to expose the client to such noise. So they just want you to be able to advise the client in a cool and quiet environment. And also the preferred qualifications is you have to have 1 year plus year of relevant phone or email customer service experience, and you will also be excellent communication. You have the excellent communication skills, spoken and written. You will have experience working in a customer service or call center, experience working in a healthcare environment, experience working under pressure in a fast-paced work environment while consisting many meeting standards for productivity and quality, demonstrated ability to work as a team member. And these are one of the qualifications, and all these qualifications as well are the kind of qualifications that most jobs out there needs you to have. And for you to be able to apply, you just go over here and click on apply now, and most of the jobs out there also have just this apply now. When you click on it, it will take you to the next page, and the page it will take you, if you already have an Amazon account, you'll be able to sign in with your Amazon account and log in. So I'm going to sign in with my Amazon account because I already have an Amazon. When I click on login with Amazon, it will take you to the next page where you have to log in. So I'm going to sign in with my Amazon, and it's going to ask me to click to sign in on the Amazon jobs. And when you click on that, it will take you to the next page where you'll be able to apply for the job. So sorry, my internet is a bit slow. So this is the place you're going to be able to apply for the job. If you have LinkedIn, you can be able to use your LinkedIn account to apply, and they will handle the rest. Or you can upload your resume through the browse device here, and you can also use the OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox. And over here you have the contact information, you have general questions, you have education, so you need to upload this if you have them. You have job specific questions, you have work eligibility, so you need to have the right to work in that country for them to accept you. And you have acknowledgement, you have voluntary and equal employment opportunity and self-identification. You have also voluntary self-identification of veteran status. Then after you have finished doing all this, you review what you have applied and also submit. So this is quite easy for you to work for Amazon. All you need to do is apply. These jobs don't wait for people for so long, because there are a lot of people out there who are looking for jobs remotely because of the period we are in right now. There are a lot of people out there who are also willing to work for Amazon. So if this is the kind of job you want to do and this is the kind of job you like, just don't hesitate. Apply for it and wait for a response. All you need is your high school diploma. You don't need to stress. And by the way guys, if you like this kind of content, just also comment down below to let me know you like this kind of content. And if you have any other suggestion that you want to make or you want me to talk about, just feel free to ask. And on this channel I always talk about ways and different ways and information that will make you money. So this is your boy Mark. This is where I'm going to wrap up today's video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and show some love by clicking the like button, because that will give me some adrenaline and happiness. Okay guys, you have a profitable day out there, and remain blessed as always. Bye guys.